Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching us and all the support guys. Today we'll show you guys if you have a vehicle that does not start, any vehicle, it doesn't matter if it's Mercedes, if it's a Ford, if it's a Chevy. If you have a code or an Audi, it doesn't matter, such as P0341 guys. Okay, that's the code right here, P0341 Camshaft Position Sensor, and the vehicle doesn't start. We'll show you what causes that thing. Let me demonstrate on this one, 2003 Mercedes E320, okay? Let me show you how it doesn't start now. Okay. Second time. Nothing guys, nothing. So we pull the codes out of the computer and let me show you guys what we got. Okay, this is it, P0341 Camshaft Position Sensor. Okay, you can see a range performance bank 1 or single sensor. So okay, that's bank 1. It means on that Mercedes it will be on the right side. That's towards cylinder number 1 side. So what we're going to do, we will open the hood guys, and I'm going to show you about that sensor now. Okay, where it is located, okay, where to look for a camshaft position sensor. On different vehicles it might be a different situation, but usually, okay, all you have to do guys, you need to find your heads, the cylinder heads. 4-cylinder engines will have 1 head, V6 2 heads. Okay, and as you can see guys, that's where we have a camshaft position sensor. Okay, right here. This is the one that reads when the camshaft turns. So it gives signal from the crankshaft and the camshaft, and that way what happens is it tells it when exactly to give the spark and all that stuff. So usually those are super easy to replace. All you have to do is disconnect 1 wire and remove 1 bolt. They're very easy. So we'll go ahead, replace it with another one that we have, and let's see if that will fix the problem. Oh guys, you want to do that, or you want to replace the camshaft position sensor when the vehicle is cool, because otherwise it's extremely hot in the engine compartment. And this is where this one is located. Okay, we have for bank 1 is on this side. So we will need a reverse torque socket now. Okay, let's see which one is going to fit, and I'll share the size with you. And we'll have the links for all the tools on our website, mechaniclifestyle.com. So feel free to check them out. This one specifically is E8, reverse torque 8. Okay, so we'll go ahead and pull the wire. Okay, press in. Okay, just careful not to break in. Very careful there, because you don't want to break the cable plug. Okay, and we disconnected it. Perfect. Now all we have to do, remove that screw. Okay, right there. You might have some oil leaking out of there, so let's see now. Okay, and I have the feeling that we'll have some oil out of there, but that's normal if you leak some out. So move it back and forward, eventually you pull it out. It has a seal on it, so it doesn't leak oil out of the sensor. Okay guys, and this is the camshaft position sensor. You can see this one, okay, right here. Alright guys, we deleted the code. Let's see if it's going to start now with the new camshaft sensor. It fired right up and no engine light. So that's how you guys get rid of that code. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and help us grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.